it's Weird Icelandic Lab episode 7 and it's the New Year project. I'm gonna make a firework igniter, and in this part I'm gonna make the igniter. In the next part I'm going to build the med system that you can turn on to put on the fireworks. Okay, let's go do that. Alright, here we take our 2 meters of wire and we open the end up like this. Here we take our wire strippers and you open the wire up like this. Then this is an old radio wire, so you should have a red wire and some copper wires. And here a white wire and copper wires. And we are going to take the red and white rubber out of the wires and just place them all together. For this end, we're gonna open it up like, maybe like this is 15 centimeters or 3 inches or something, yeah. And then we're gonna take our little alligator clips and pliers. We're gonna take the wire, and you see there's a little hole here. We're going to place the wires inside this hole from this side, just like this. And then we're gonna take our pliers here and clamp this together. Just give it a really good, like, tough clamping, so the wire will stay in there and this wire isn't going anywhere. Then we take our other alligator clip and do the same. Just like this. Then, for the other end, we're going to open that end up too. And strip it off. Okay, I'm gonna do this and then I will come back. Alright, as you can see here, I have taken the rubber off and put the wires together. The red wire, you can see a little bit of red. I hope so. Yeah, there. Put that. You should take the switch. You bend the leads out with a plier, so they won't touch, because that wouldn't be good. And then your fireworks, it might, when put this on it. That's bad. You just hook it in there. Oh no, wait. Sorry for that. First, we'll take our heat shrink tubing and cut it in length. Just like this, an inch long. Just do that and you just leave it like this. And for the other lead, we have our two alligator clips, and we take the ground wire and open it a little bit more. And take the... No, actually, I'm going to connect them in series. So you take... Oh, you take the ground lead on one battery and put it to the red lead on another battery. Put heat shrink tubing over first, and then connect it to the red lead of another battery clip. Then you're connecting the battery in series. And then we will take the other red lead, get some heat shrink tubing, and put the heat shrink tubing on, and put that wire through the other end of our nice switch here and give it a little turn so it isn't going anywhere. This wire too. Okay, and for the ground lead here, like this, and then take the other wire and connect it too, like this. Okay, I'm back, and I've turned on here a candle for the heat shrink tubing. Now we make sure everything is connected, put the heat shrink tubing over, and we heat it up, and it should shrink. I forgot to put heat shrink tubing here, so I cut these off because I've clamped them already, and yeah, I'm gonna put them back together and heat shrink tube them, and yeah, then I'm good to go. Okay, now it's done like this. And now for this is really messy just to have it laying around like this. So I've came up with this great idea. I know it's not posted in the photo, but I'm going to find a box to put on here, and I'm gonna glue this on the box. Okay? You can wait for that, or are you gonna die? I'll come back for you when I'm done with that. Okay, I found this Tic Tac 100 fresh mint can, and I cut the hole in here so two 9-volt batteries could fit really tightly inside of it. So I'm gonna put that in here now. Glue this in place. Put a lot of hot glue. I'm gluing the battery in. Okay, I ended up with burning my finger here really badly on the hot glue gun. Also, just not to put the switch in because yeah, it's really hard. So in the second video I'm gonna show how to make the igniter matches for this, and I'm gonna show you how it works and how to use it. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Goodbye and Happy New Year!